Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am Anshu and today we are with Krish Garg.
Hey guys.
So Krish, introduce yourself.
So my name is Krish Kirk. I am in CS branch in here, BITS Goa. I am from a lot of cities. I started my journey by being born in Gujarat, Vadodara. Then I went to Mumbai. Then I went to Delhi. Then I went to Raigad. From Raigad I went to Delhi again. From Delhi I went to Jaipur. From Jaipur I am now in Pune with this guy.
इतना करके भी पढ़ाई में इफेक्ट नहीं आया.
Like
Tell us
me.
about your rank, JEE Mains,
So
BITSAT.
in JEE Mains I got rank of 5,500. In advance I got a decent rank. It was 2,125.
Decent.
It's okay enough.
BITSAT score?
BITSAT score was 325 marks.
Okay. So obviously you prepared for JEE Advanced for 2 years.
Yes.
But that didn't go as you expected. So what did you do different to prepare for BITSAT? Like in a month?
See, when the first mains happened, after that I understood that advance is a bit risky game. I can't completely rely on it. So I started doing BITSAT mocks.
Okay.
I bought a test series and just started solving it rigorously. Another thing I focused on was completing the syllabus. As many topics were deleted for mains and advanced, but they're still in BITSAT. So I completed them like through YouTube and like small videos. That was it.
So for chemistry and all, do you prefer NCERT for BITSAT or any other source?
NCERT, bro. NCERT
NCERT is
is
best,
God
right?
for
Yeah.
advanced, mains, BITSAT, everything NCERT is God.
Do your
chemistry.
NCERT properly?
बट क्रिश की तरह बिटचार्ट ऑन स्पॉट क्रैक करना सबके बस की बात नहीं होती. वी नीड 3 थिंग्स: रेलेवेंट लेक्चर्स, गुड प्रैक्टिस मटेरियल एंड प्रॉपर गाइडेंस. अगर मेरे पास ये तीनों चीज होती, आई वुड हैव स्कोर्ड 300 प्लस इजीली एंड कुड हैव गेटन अ बेटर ब्रांच. इसके लिए माय सीनियर्स हैव स्टार्टेड द फोडो क्लब, the best platform right now to prepare for BITSAT. This year, they have launched the Ultimate Crash Course 2025 for BITSAT. It's a one-stop solution for your BITSAT prep.
You will get recorded lectures of physics, chem, maths, as well as logical reasoning and English by professional teachers. In just 1 to 1.5 hours, you will be done with BITSAT theory and relevant problems too. The best thing is, you will get to practice on DPPs and practice mock tests after every lecture.
And उनके mocks के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा. 20 mocks, unlimited attempts and detailed solutions too. थोड़े दिन पहले मैं ध्रुव भैया से मिला था on campus and the efforts he is taking for you guys to crack BITSAT at the Fodo Club is really good.
मेरे टाइम में मुझे प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, मुझे ढंग के PYQs नहीं मिल रहे थे कहीं पे भी ऑन इंटरनेट या एनीवेयर. बट फोडो क्लब हैज दिस ईयर एडेड memory based PYQs which is really very beneficial for you.
And the best thing about this is कि if you get 300 plus score in BITSAT, you get 100% scholarship. I mean, और क्या ही चाहिए? So don't miss this final chance and come to Tier 1 college. मेरे जैसा अगर आपका भी JEE Mains या Advanced अच्छा नहीं गया हो, this is your last chance to come to Tier 1 college.
If you had choice to choose one college except BITS Goa, what would it be?
See, there's only one college in my mind, in my heart.
Okay.
It has a very special
Okay.
place.
Which one? Despite of having such a good rank in advance, why did you choose BITS Goa or any IIT?
See, I wanted CS branch
Okay.
in top 7 IITs.
Oh, top 7.
But so at 2000, I was not getting that, so it is a useless rank, obviously.
Okay. You have offended many of the IITians right there.
That's the reality. So then I looked into BITS and found it's great. It aligns with my interest a lot, and Goa bhai.
What do you like about Goa? This campus?
The culture, the praying to God. I feel connected to God here
Oh,
every day.
acha. So as you have completed a year in BITS Goa,
Yes.
so do you regret it या फिर it was all worth it?
In a single word, no, I don't regret it. See, Goa, here campus is very vivid. Like, हर समय कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा होता है यहाँ पे.
कुछ ना कुछ तो होते
कुछ
रहता
ना कुछ होता ही रहता है.
है. कुछ ना कुछ होते रहता है.
Here, junior senior interaction is amazing. Like, यहाँ पे you can't tell the difference between a senior and a junior.
Exactly.
For a matter of fact, when we began our SEM, हम तो सीनियर्स की तरफ प्रेटेंड करके जूनियर्स की रैंकिंग लेते थे. हमने बहुत करा था ये चीज़ें. तो हमारा फर्स्ट सेम में वेव्स हुआ था फेस्ट, यहाँ का कल्चरल फेस्ट बहुत बड़ा हुआ था. उसमें मतलब इतना सब कुछ था खाने के लिए, पीने के लिए, कि मेरे तो भगवान के दर्शन हो गए भाई पूरे दिन.
व्लॉग तो देखा होगा. देख लेंगे आगे।
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
फिर बाकी अभी कॉर्क भी हुआ था,
कॉर्क हुआ
टेक
था।
फेस्ट।
कॉर्क भाई टेक फेस्ट था, वहाँ पे मतलब बढ़िया बढ़िया एक कुत्ता आया था भाई, एक रोबोट कुत्ता, मज़ेदार था भाई, मज़ा आ गया देख के उसको, नचाया भी था हमने। वो अलग बात है, हम उसको फिर तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बट मज़ा आया था।
So basically it is better than IITs because of fests and all, right?
IIT से तो बहुत बेटर है भाई बिट्स गोवा, कुछ नहीं है IIT
Let's
से।
go. If you had chance to go into any other college than BITS Goa, what would it be?
IIT बॉम्बे।
So Krish, thank you for joining us for this video. मतलब बहुत juniors को help हुआ होगा, तो would you like to say something to juniors end में?
देखो भाई, गोवा कैंपस आओगे, कैंपस आने से पहले भी हेल्प, यहाँ आके भी हेल्प मिलेगी। मैं तुम्हारा इतना अच्छे से ध्यान रखूंगा ना, तुम लोग डिफरेंस नहीं पता कर पाओगे घर का और यहाँ का।
सही से संभाल के रखेंगे। चल भाई, अभी कुत्ता बिरयानी खाना
रुक बे।